Welcome to Hooked on Linux, and this morning, I'm going to show you how to move your favorites, your bookmarks, from Google Chrome to Chromium. Congratulations! This all came from somebody who made a comment, and the comment here, I'm just going to show it to you. And the comment it was here. So I installed Linux Mint. What now? What now? What now? Comments right here. Down here, right here, this one here, came from the Doctor 6610. I would switch to Chromium if I knew how to get the shortcuts from my Google Chrome. Can you show us how to do this? Today, Doctor 6610, you're in luck, and not only will I answer your question, I will fulfill your request. You realize by doing this I had to install Google Chrome on my system. I wasn't happy about that because I loathe Google Chrome. Google Chrome is a data sucking machine. Google Chrome, first they wanted me to do is sign in. I don't do the sign in. I also don't do this. See this? Google Chrome isn't your default browser. Set as default. I don't set any browser, not just Google Chrome. I mean, I do not set any browser as a default because I believe that setting a browser as a default gives it permission to communicate with everything else on your computer. I mean, think about it. So you can be reading an email on Thunderbird, and it'll have a link on it. Click on the link, and the link will automatically open into your default browser. So your default browser is in constant communication with that and everything else, because I mean, you can launch everything as a browser. This is it. Okay, so how are we going to do this? Let me go to the full screen. Okay, so in your Google Chrome over here you see all bookmarks. Okay, that's where all your bookmarks are. You might have pinned your bookmarks on the bar here, right? You can open up a side panel right there. See it? All your bookmarks. See the three dots up here? Click on those three dots, hold on to it, and you're going to see bookmarks and lists. And you're going to hover over bookmarks and lists. And down here, you're going to go to Bookmark Manager. Right there. Okay, is that clear? There we go. I'm going nice and slow. And then when you're here on Bookmarks Manager, you can click on whichever bookmark folder you want to copy, and all three of them are here. Now these three dots up here, you see that? Click on that. And right there it's going to say add new bookmark, add new folder, import bookmarks, export bookmarks. You want to export these. It's going to go default right to your documents or wherever you want to put it. You can store it wherever you like. And it gives you a title, and the title includes the date. This is today's date. And I'm going to hit save. And there it is. You have successfully exported your bookmarks, and now you can go and open up your Chromium browser. There's a Chromium browser. Chromium I use strictly to communicate with Google. You can see here I've got my inbox, YouTube, and my dashboards and what have you. So when you're here, we're going to click on the three dots here. See the three dots? Click on these three dots. Set Chromium as your default browser. Anyway, down here, bookmarks and lists. Do you see it there? It says bookmark this tab, hide, show all bookmarks, bookmark manager, import bookmarks and settings. Click on that. And import bookmarks and settings from Mozilla Firefox, which is the default release, or HTML file. You're hovering over HTML file. This is what you just exported from Chrome. Click on that, and it's going to say select items to be imported, and favorites and bookmarks, whatever the file was. Choose the file. I'm going to go here on documents where it's saved. There it is there. I'm going to select them, and it's going to say congratulations, your bookmarks and settings are ready. And you say done. Here on your bookmarks tab you see imported. You can click on imported, and there's all of what you imported or exported from Google Chrome. And you can take each of these, just grab it and put it there on your tab. And so there you have it, Dr. 66. I hope this helps solve your problem and moves you closer to freedom with using your Linux Mint or whatever distribution that you're using on Linux. But congratulations for ditching the Chrome browser and jumping on to Chromium. I hope everybody got something out of this. It was not that difficult to do. It took a little bit of exploring, a little bit of looking around, understanding the lingo, all this different kind of stuff. But once you do, then it's magic. Congratulations. As soon as I hit the stop button on this, I am deleting and uninstalling Google Chrome from my Linux Mint system. Thanks for watching Hooked on Linux. We'll see you soon.